guys, as our circuit is on, but we are not getting alarming signal till now. Now let me show you. If I pour the water in this can, that means storage tank. So what happened? See, now the water reaches to this level and we have the alarming signal.